All right, so this time what we wanted to do is we just wanted to deploy this thing and kind of look at the deployed version. So deploying is pretty easy. You can do it from a number of places, but Eclipse is right here, right? So if we right click on our project, we say PyDev Google App Engine. I just made the thing, and we say upload. What this should do is this should kick off a little pop-up window. What this pop-up window is going to let you do is it's going to let you upload your app. If you have already signed in, it's going to remember your credentials. If you need to sign in again, so now mine is prompting me for my email. So I'm going to say FisherDS. Note the @gmail.com is actually optional, so I'm going to not add it. Then I'm going to put in my password. So I went ahead and put in my password. And what that's going to do is that's going to deploy it. If you're fast enough, you might be able to like win the race and see the version with and without all our latest changes. So if I go to it, looks like I lost the race. And mine now has add a movie quote. It's got all the CSS, all the images all ready to go. And then mine happens to already have data in it. There's a good chance that yours did not successfully load, and that's because it's doing a thing called loading the indexes, and we're going to talk about that. And also, I think there's no way that yours would already have data in it. It's just because I'm cheating, right? I'm replacing something that was already there. Let's go see why yours didn't load, is my guess. So go to console.developers.google.com. I realize there should be an S in the word developers, but it'll redirect even if you didn't have it. And what we want to do is we want to go into this project, so FisherDS Movie Quotes, and we want to look around the console and just kind of learn a couple things. So if you expand out this area over on the left, you'll see that there's a couple things that we care about. So one thing we will care about later is this APIs and auth. We don't care about that yet. But we do care about compute, app engine. There's a couple things in here that we are going to look at. Logs being one of them. So logs is a place where you can go and you can kind of see what's happening with my server. Am I, giving people what they want, or am I having problems? The logs are the main place you go to when you're like looking for bugs. Right now, what we're looking for though is more data related. So if you go into storage and you go to the data store, you can see that there's a couple of things in here that we care about. One is query, that's where you can look to see what data is saved, and the other is indexes. If yours didn't load right away, most likely what happened is there's a thing called indexes that needs time to build. And so if you come into here, it says serving movie quotes. You will probably only have this one, last touch, date, time in reverse order. It actually builds up, it's called an index, so that it can quickly get your data for you when somebody visits the page. So they're the last things that are ready before your app is actually serving and ready for the world. Go ahead and do this for me. Go ahead and add some quotes. So I already have some quotes, but go ahead and just add a couple. After you've added a couple, come back in here and click on query for me. So this is under storage, cloud data store, query. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at some of your live data. So this is very similar to what we did in localhost. This is just for the deployed version. And if you want to, you can actually edit things in here. So this My Movie, I don't really want that on there. I want to kill that. Then there's also one that says Princess Bridge. I don't really want that. I'm going to highlight that one as well. I'm going to say delete those entities. Typically, you wouldn't do a lot of editing in here on a deployed app, but it's good to know that it's there. So I've just deleted those two. So as soon as I refresh, this one's going to go away, and this Princess Bridge is going to go away. So refresh, and I can see that those got blown away. So I just kind of wanted to deploy the app, and I wanted to start making you more familiar with console.developer.google.com. The places that we use a lot are compute, app engine logs. That one's handy. And then storage, cloud data store, query, and indexes. So those are the primary places that we go to. Also, as a reminder, if you're having problems uploading from Eclipse, feel free to use the Google App Engine Launcher. It has nice little GUI buttons that you can click on and upload. You could also do it from the command line, but you'll have to look up some of the commands to do that. All right, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time where we talk about the lab.